Imagine a computer so small it fits in the palm of your hand, yet so powerful it makes the workstation you bought last year look like a calculator. For over a decade, the Mac Mini was the entry-level Mac, the one you bought when you couldn't afford a Pro, or when you just needed something to run a server in your closet. But something fundamental changed in late 2024 with the M4 redesign, and now, in 2026, Apple is about to pull the trigger on a device that shouldn't legally exist. We are talking about the Mac Mini M5. But this isn't just a spec bump. This is the first time Apple is using a technology they call Fusion architecture in a desktop this small. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. There is a reason the leaks are coming out of the supply chain with such intensity right now. There is a reason professional video editors are holding off on buying the Mac Studio. It's because the M5 Mac Mini is about to destroy the very idea of a budget computer. Think about the sheer audacity of what's happening here. While the rest of the industry is struggling to keep up with power-hungry chips that require massive cooling, Apple is going the other direction. They are shrinking the brain and expanding their power. The M5 chip isn't just another iteration. It's the first consumer chip built on a refined 3-nanometer process that pushes the boundaries of physics. But here's the part that will make you pause. The GPU. The leaks suggest a 45% jump in graphics performance over the M4. That isn't a generational improvement. That is a generational leap. If you're a gamer, a 3D artist, or someone who lives in Final Cut Pro, that 45% is the difference between waiting for a render and being finished before you even realize it. But there is a massive catch. A price hike is looming, and Apple is moving production to places that might change the "Made in China" sticker to something much closer to home. Why would Apple put this much power into a box that costs less than an iPhone? To understand that, you have to understand the Apple Intelligence endgame. We are moving into an era where AI doesn't happen in the cloud anymore, it happens on your desk. The M5's neural engine is rumored to be 3.5 times faster than the M4. That's not just for Siri. That's for real-time video upscaling, local large language models, and AI-driven coding. Apple wants the Mac Mini M5 to be the AI brain of your home. But can a device this small actually handle the heat? The M4 redesign was tiny, just 5 by 5 inches. If the M5 is 30% more powerful, how does it stay cool? The answer lies in a hidden internal redesign of the thermal pillars that almost no one is talking about. Let's look at the silicon. The M5 and the M5 Pro are the stars here. The base M5 is expected to feature a 10-core CPU architecture, but with a twist. They are using what engineers are calling supercores. These are cores optimized specifically for single-threaded bursts, the stuff that makes your computer feel snappy. When you click an app and it opens instantly, that's the supercore at work. The M5 Pro, however, is where the real fusion happens. It's rumored to use a 2.5D packaging technology that connects the CPU and GPU tiles with speeds we've never seen in a consumer device. We are talking about memory bandwidth exceeding 300 gigabytes per second. To put that in perspective, that is faster than most high-end gaming PCs that cost 3 times as much. But here is where the story takes a dark